Today I am going to create. Today I am creating a look that was supposed to be done back in 2023. 2023, 2023. I was going to do this makeup look, but got busy and never got to do it. I was going to do it with my daughter, but then, trying to spend time with them, I just did that instead of doing this. But I want you to see how the same color can look different on different skin tone, on different skin color and skin tone. So I'm going to use a gray from my Thunder palette by Colored Rain, and I'm going to put it on the lighter skin mannequin. I did not put base. I am just going to put it so you can see what I'm talking about. Like I say, since 2023, this video was supposed to be made. Never got done, so here we are. This is it right here. I'm going to do the other skin tone. And you'll see these in my videos a lot. I'll be making videos with them. Like I said, it's been a while, so I finally decided to get them out and do it. Making sure I put the same amount. While I create this look, I will just read a couple things that have over the time have come to my mind, and I wrote it down, but I have not said it in a video, so I'll just read. I have a big brush, so I want to cover a lot of spaces. Now I'm just blending, making sure everything looks like what I would do on my eyes. While you watch me create this one color eyeshadow, same shade, same color, I'm using the same shade of eyeshadow on each model. They're both wearing the same shade, but because of their skin color and skin tone, it will look different. Now let me draw a little bit of eyebrows for them. Let me make them look more real. Everything looks good on the outside. I'm using a gel liner that I have from Ellie Girl. It is in the inside the struggle and pain hides, where no one sees, and yet we are judged before. I am really not a brow person, but I am trying to make this look better before we can tell our story. These are just things, when they come to me, I write them down. And sometimes while I'm doing the makeup, I do affirmations, but today I'm reading this. This one says, please do not get into relationships to please others. All relationships are not what it looks like in open. Behind closed doors, life might be turbulent. Losing yourself in a relationship is a bad place to be. You heard all the cries. You saw all the signs. You know all the knowing of don't start this relationship. Fear is a powerful poison. Again, like I said, these are just things that come to me while I'm in my quiet moments, and I just jot them down. Fear is a powerful poison and disease. Giving yourself a reason to stay when God say go or leave. These, the first person to love, the first person to go. This is the gray shade. Please embrace. This is the shade that I use on there. It's like a purplish gray. I use it on the lighter skin model and on the darker skin model. Same shade, but it looks differently. So when you're buying palettes, always keep that in mind. This is a makeup look my daughter and I was gonna do back in 2023, and we ended up spending more time in Disney than in front of the camera to do the makeup look. So I finally decide, okay, I gotta get it done a different way. So here it is. I hope that this was helpful to you, and there will be more coming. But I just need, every day I keep looking at this and I'm like, I need to get it done. I need to get it done. I need to get it done. And here it is. I thank you all very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Let me know what other color you'd like to see on there. I'll be doing just one color eyeshadows, and then I'll be doing different types of eyeshadow looks on my models. So again, my models are gorgeous. My daughter and I. Thank you for watching.